Turn your vehicle into a camper van with the Jimba Jimba rooftop tent. Open the box. The Jimba Jimba rooftop tent comes with a mattress and a ladder. All you need are 2 suitable load bars for your vehicle. Two people can lift the rooftop tent onto the load bars. A complete mounting kit is included. You'll find this in one of the 2 shoe storage bags. Slide the bolts into the rails and mount the rooftop tent by hand. No tools are needed. Remove the cover. Open the rooftop tent by releasing the rubber strap. The gas struts will open the rooftop tent in one simple movement. Make sure the ladder is firmly attached and secure it with the strap. Your Jimba Jimba rooftop tent is ready to use in just 2 minutes. Enjoy your room with an excellent view.